So let's do an example of adding and subtracting negative numbers. How about this one? We've got 1 plus negative 6. Alright, so there we go. 1 plus negative 6. So I'm going to make a number line here. Put my 0 in the middle. Alright, I've got 0. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put 5 on that side and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and we'll go all the way up to minus 6 over on this side. Okay, so I've got my messy number line there. Now here's how we're going to work this. We're going to start with the 1. That tells us where to start right there, that 1. So we are going to start right here. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to create like a little monster here. Okay, this is my little monster. Now I'm not putting his arms on yet because I need to know which way it faces. But the 1 there tells us where to start. Next, we need to know which way to face. The plus sign there, the adding sign, tells me I'm going to face the positive side. So I'm going to have his arms facing out here, the positive side, because that's the direction he's going to face. Now, the next thing is I've got to look at this next integer right here. It's a negative integer, which tells me that he's going to move backwards. So he's facing one way, but he's going to move the other way when he does move, and he's going to go 6 spaces when he does move. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and do that here. Let's see, we got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we end up right here at negative 5. So that tells me that 1 plus negative 6 equals negative 5 is my answer. Let's try another example here. How about this one? Let's go with negative 3, let's see, minus 5 equals. Okay, so once again, give me my number line here. 0 in the middle. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll try that. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But of course, all of these are negative on this side. Okay. Now, I'm going to go with my starting position here. Okay, the first thing I need to look at is the first digit. Where is it located? It's at negative 3, so that's where I'm going to create my little creature here, my monster. Alright, now I need to look at, am I adding or subtracting? I am subtracting in this case, so that tells me my monster is going to face the negative side. And then the last thing is, am I going forward or backward? Well, this is a positive number. It's not a negative number because that's a minus sign that's in front of it. So it's a positive number. So I'm going to go forward 5 spaces. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to have to add one more in here. Right there, which is going to be negative 8. And so that's where I'm going to end up at, is right there at negative 8. So that tells me that negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8.